So today marks the beginning of the Thai festival called Songkran. It's basically a huge water fight. It's supposed to be mental. And so today, and for the next 2 days, I'm gonna go out with my handy Sony a7 Mark III. I'm also shooting with this 50mm lens, and I bought this waterproof case for about $3. Hopefully this keeps my camera nice and protected during all of the craziness. So let's go check it out. All right, let's go. Okay, so Songkran is Thailand's most famous festival. It's an important event on the Buddhist calendar. This water splashing festival marks the beginning of the traditional Thai New Year. And it's gotta be the funnest holiday known to man. Songkran Festival takes place in April every year from the 13th to the 15th. But it's basically 3 days of throwing and squirting water at anyone in sight. It's nuts. Today marks the first day, so I hopped on my motorbike and started heading towards the Ping River. Insane. So yeah, basically there's people everywhere with water guns, just squirting people, demolishing them. I'm right here next to the Ping River. I'm drenched already. Chiang Mai is home to one of the country's biggest Songkran celebrations. The festival kicked off with an eye-catching procession around the city. Street food, cultural celebrations, and traditional performance remain an important part of Songkran in northern Thailand. The parade kicked off with a bang. A cherry picker mounted with a hose was squirting the gathering crowd. This is my friend Jeremy and his huge squirt gun. We hung out for the day. As soon as we met up, the police officer handed us a free Thai drink. I'm not sure I would recommend it.
This is absolutely horrible.
Comment below if you know what it is. Street food was everywhere from donuts to seafood to sausages. As we made our way through the parade, locals splashed us with Thai holy water. Locals enjoyed splashing the Buddha with water for good luck.
What is this water?
Like holy water in your country. But it's for like Buddhist. If you like splash to the Buddha, I believe to get blessed.
Giant super soakers of all shapes and sizes could be found on the streets. The parade was awesome with cool outfits, masks, and dancing. My favorite was the music. Our friend Casey showed up and bought a colorful Songkran shirt for a few dollars. These shirts are like law when it comes to the Songkran wardrobe. After making sure Casey was super soaked, we headed into the madness.
Better brother, better brother. Not me.
As we walked toward Chiang Mai's famous Taipei Gate, ice water could be found everywhere. The crowd closer to Taipei Gate was huge. Lots of people gathered to watch the parade pass by.
I'm recording!
Taipei Gate is one of the most famous landmarks in Chiang Mai. Located on the eastern side of the wall, it's one of the gates to enter the old city.
Oh my god!
We continued on towards Loy Kraw Road where we passed people filling buckets with moat water. Delicious. Loy Kraw was a war zone. Loi Kra Road is one of the most popular nightlife areas among tourists in Chiang Mai. We posted up with some other foreigners at a small bar for battle. On Songkran, Loi Kra is what I would imagine no man's land to be like. At this point, the ice water was really starting to take its toll. We were all shivering and hoping each splash wasn't icy. No one could be trusted. As we reached the end of Loi Kra, we started making our way back to our crew. Once we got back, the parade was finishing up, and we stuck around for some last-minute blasting before heading home.
Don't you dare.
Overall, first day, insane, complete insanity. My camera looks awesome. There's a little bit moisture inside. So much fun hanging out with friends. The ice water is really annoying. When it hits you, it's like a shot of espresso. The parade was a ton of fun today. Overall, I think everybody was in really good spirits. So Happy New Year. Okay, so we are on day 2 of Songkran, and I am just up making some coffee. I'm super tired from yesterday, but today I'm gonna take my Mavic Mini 2 out, and I'm gonna try to get some aerial footage of some of the craziness. Something else that's exciting is my girlfriend gets in from Singapore today. So yeah, as soon as I finish this cup of coffee, I'm gonna get out there into the madness and see what I can see. Okay, so just found a little spot next to the road with some people playing. So I'm gonna take the drone up and hopefully get some cool footage. I had to get some footage of this dude in the hat with the fire hose. He was super chill standing next to the road. While he was squirting traffic that was passing by, his main duty was filling up huge barrels in the back of trucks. This truck circled back around for a fill up and got creamed as they pulled away. I then packed up and headed out for bubble tea, where I found a group of kids in all-out battle positions next to the road. These kids meant business. I love being above all the carnage with the drone. Songkran from above just hits different. After finishing my bubble tea, it was time to go pick up Sydney. The Songkran streets were much wilder than before.
You're all...
Yeah, oh, look at you. All right, first Songkran. Sid had no idea what she was in for. Day 2 was Road Warrior Mayhem. We cruised our motorbike through Lamphun Road, a major road that connects the cities of Chiang Mai and Lamphun.
Baby powder! You gotta have the baby powder!
Alright babe, how's your first Songkran?
Oh, I am so... Wow! That is crazy!
We found a side street a few kilometers down the road and took to the sky. Hundreds of trucks were at a near standstill as far as the eye could see. The mixture of colorful shirts and splashing water made for some of my favorite photos I've taken in a long time. The overhead view gave us a unique perspective. I don't think I've seen that many soaking wet happy people in my life. As the sun started setting on day 2, we landed the drone and stopped for fried chicken.
Happy Songkran! On video.
Not that chicken!
As night fell, things got a little weirder and a whole lot colder, so we cruised home and crashed out.
Chunky cup. Susu na cup.
We are on day 3 of Songkran, the last and final day of Songkran. I don't think Sydney had any idea what to expect yesterday. I know she loved the water and all the people. So Sid and Jacob right now are getting ready for Songkran. Jacob has not experienced it yet, so it's gonna be a lot of fun seeing his reaction. These last 3 days have been amazing and I don't want it to end. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a colorful shirt, pack up all my gear, and get out of here. Let's do it. After meeting up with Sid, Jacob, and my friend Marcus, we took to the streets for day 3.
Happy Songkran, bro. How's it going, bro? Happy Songkran. Let's go. Did you get you in the face?
We walked through Top A Gate and it didn't take long until we were ankle deep in water and surrounded by Songkran insanity. The Songkran dance party at Amora Tape was more than we ever expected. Sid, Jacob, Marcus, and I danced from people from all over the world in a huge wet block party. Once our legs got tired from dancing, we hit the corner of Loy Craw to post up and rest. Our rest ended just as soon as it started. The corner of Loy Craw in the old city was chaos. We ran into my friend Paul and the bunch of us fought the good fight. My $3 camera case took a hit and it put my camera out of commission for the rest of the day. We may have lost a few good soldiers along the way, but we always stood our ground.
Man down! Man down!
To those who perished, we salute you. We carried on until the bitter end, until the very last drop. So it is Sunday. I am extremely exhausted from Songkran. It is easily the coolest holiday in the world. I'm a huge fan of Songkran. 3 days of madness. There is no better way to bring in a new year than by throwing water on other people. Confirmed. Whether I was driving around with the GoPro or taking photos with my Sony, which has a little bit of moisture in it, or flying my drone, Songkran is such a spectacle and you really have to come experience it. So if you ever are in Thailand in April, you got to come see Songkran. It's magical, and for 72 hours, you're just soaked and just loving life. I am now going to spend the rest of this beautiful Sunday sleeping. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.